I'm Tom Ovis, and thank you for taking the time to look at this video about the Shift Workshop. The Shift Workshop is all about helping you grow your business. Whether you're a small startup just getting sorted about what your niche is, you've been in business, but COVID took you really off your track and you need to get back on it, or you're a long-established business and you're looking for an opportunity now that we're coming back to the new normal, the Shift Workshop is for you. We pull businesses together, bring them into small groups, and get them working interactively in highly creative ways that make things happen very quick. And it's really going to help you take steps forward. We've changed it since it started. We started when everyone was struggling to survive, and it was all about your mindset, giving you hope and getting you started. Now it's different. Now we see opportunity. If you're still struggling, we'll help you get through it. But if you're looking for opportunity, it's really for you. Because there's a lot of opportunity now that we're getting out of the pandemic. You can find a way to get to that new opportunity. How you can find that new product, new service you can develop and sell it. So we're lucky today to be joined by one of the people who was in our first workshop, Edna White. She went bang up with the Shift Workshop and figured out how to change her business. So much so that we invited her to become a facilitator, to join the rest of us in the merry band of running the Shift Workshop. So I'm going to turn it over to Edna and have her talk about how Shift Workshop helped her and how she brings it to other people. Edna?
Hello, my name is Edna White. I am the owner of Edna White Coaching and Consulting, and I'm now a new facilitator with the Shift program. I am so excited about this program. I still use it, and everything that I learn now, I'm still learning. But the reason why that I was involved with the Shift program was by invitation, and I needed a change in my business. So I knew that, and I accepted that, and everything that they taught, I applied at the same time. And my business has grown exponentially, and it has really, changed in shifting what I'm doing and my focus. So I'm not ordinary anymore. I am so very focused and so minute in my business that I am pulling in business that I think I'm going to explode in a couple of months. So I'm really excited about that. And I implore you to please try this program. When you come in, put everything into effect that they say that or guide you through, and you will definitely make a change. I know that for sure.